Many business owners wonder if their business needs to be listed correctly on all local search directories. Well, the answer is yes. Most consumers today search first when looking for local companies. If your company is nowhere to be found when prospects search for your type of product or service, you are simply handing over new business to your closest competitors. A well-executed local search directory strategy does 6 things for your business. First, it sends more customers to your website. Second, it builds credibility for your company in your industry. Third, it boosts your revenue and your profit potential. Fourth, it converts more leads and prospects into paying customers. Fifth, it has you show up higher in mobile search results. And sixth, it helps you place higher for keyword targets in search engines. Optimizing your business for local search is no longer an option, it is required. Being listed in local search directories and being listed correctly now impacts other forms of online marketing you want to do and is vital to your business's success. One of the points of your free 12-point business success assessment is your local search listings over 40 directories. Your results are reported to you, and you are provided with the tools to complete or correct each point quickly and easily.